Today, we have a very special Easter story just for you. Are you ready to go on an adventure? Let's begin. Our story is called Mochi and the Golden Easter Egg. Today is a very special day in the Whispering Woods. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and a gentle breeze rustles through the leaves. Do you know what day it is? It's Easter Sunday. 2. And no one is more excited than a little bunny named Mochi. Mochi is a sweet bunny with fluffy white fur and big, curious eyes. This morning, she is wearing her favorite accessory, a soft yellow bow tied neatly on one ear. She wiggles her nose and does a little happy hop. Today is not just any Easter. Today, Mochi has a very important mission. For weeks, all the animals in the Whispering Woods have been talking about the legend of the golden egg. It's said to be the most beautiful egg in the entire forest, shining with the light of the sun itself. And Mochi is determined to be the one to find it. She grabs her little woven basket. It's handled just the right size for her paw. I'm ready for an adventure, she says to herself. With a flick of her fluffy tail, she hops out of her cozy burrow and into the bright, green meadow. The meadow is bursting with life. Flowers of every color imaginable are blooming, and busy bees buzz from one blossom to another. Mochi takes a deep breath of the fresh, sweet air. Golden egg, she whispers. Where are you hiding? Her first stop is a patch of tall, elegant tulips. Their petals are bright red and orange, standing proudly in the sunshine. Mochi peeks behind the tallest one, her heart thumping with excitement. Is it here? She asks, a little ladybug crawling on a leaf. The ladybug just wiggles its antennae. There's no golden egg behind the tulip, but Mochi does find something else. Nestled in the grass is a beautiful, shiny silver egg. It glimmers like a coin in the morning light. Wow, Mochi says, this is perfect. My friend, Ali the owl loves shiny things. Carefully, she places the silver egg into her basket. Her mission isn't over yet. Mochi continues her search, hopping deeper into the meadow. She comes across a hollow log lying on its side, covered in soft green moss. It looks like the perfect hiding spot for a special egg. Mochi crouches down and peers inside. The log is dark and smells of earth and damp wood. And what does she see? Not the golden egg, but something just as delightful. Tucked away in a cozy corner is a bright pink egg. It's the cheeriest shade of pink, like a wild rose. Oh, this is lovely, Mochi exclaims. Pip the chick will adore this color. She gently rolls the pink egg out and adds it to her basket next to the silver one. Her basket is starting to fill up, but she still hasn't found the one she's looking for. Mochi isn't discouraged. A good explorer never gives up. She looks up at the sky. The sun is high and round, warming her fur. She feels a new burst of energy. She knows just where to look next, the most ancient and magical place in the entire woods. The Great Willow Tree. The Great Willow Tree stands at the edge of the meadow, its long flowing branches swaying gently like a curtain. It's a quiet, peaceful spot, and Mochi has always felt that it holds special secrets. She hops towards it, her basket bumping softly against her side. As she gets closer, she notices something. There, at the base of the massive trunk, is a patch of the softest, greenest moss she has ever seen. And from within that moss, a gentle light is glowing. It's a warm, brilliant light, like a tiny captured sunbeam. Mochi's heart starts to beat faster. She creeps forward, her paws making no sound on the soft ground. She parts the moss with a gentle touch and gasps. There it is, the golden egg. It's even more beautiful than she had imagined. It isn't just painted gold. It seems to be made of pure, solid light. It radiates a warm, peaceful energy. The whole forest around her seems to go quiet, as if all of nature is admiring its beauty. Mochi just stares, completely mesmerized. The golden egg, she whispers in awe. She has found it. She reaches out a paw to touch its smooth, warm surface. Just as her fingertip is about to touch the egg, she hears a rustle in the flowers nearby. Surprise! Suddenly, two figures jump out from behind a large bush of daisies. It's her best friends. Ollie, the owl, with his big, round eyes, and Pip the chick, flapping his tiny wings with excitement. Mr. Mochi, they both cheer, their voices full of laughter. Mochi jumps back, startled for a second, but then a huge smile spreads across her face. Ollie, Pip. What are you doing here? We were following you, hooted Ollie. We wanted to see if you'd find it. And you did. You found the golden egg, chirped Pip, hopping up and down. Mochi looks at the beautiful golden egg, and then at her two smiling friends. Suddenly, the egg doesn't seem like just a prize to be won. She has an idea. She picks up the golden egg. It's surprisingly light. She notices a tiny seam running around its middle. With her friends watching, Mochi carefully opens the golden egg. It splits neatly into two halves. But what's inside? It's not candy or a toy. Inside, nestled on a bed of soft fluff, are dozens and dozens of tiny, colorful wildflower seeds. Lee and Pip look at the seeds, confused. Seeds? Asked Pip. Mochi understands immediately. It's a gift for all of us, she says, her voice soft. It's so we can plant a garden together. We can make the meadow even more beautiful. Allie's eyes sparkle. What a wonderful idea! He hoots, Pip chirps happily. A garden for all of us to share. Mochi then remembers the other eggs in her basket. She pulls out the shiny silver egg and gives it to Ollie. I found us for you, Ollie. Ollie gasps with delight. Then, she hands the bright pink egg to Pip. And this one is for you, Pip. Pip hugs the egg, overjoyed. They spend the rest of the beautiful Easter afternoon planting the wildflower seeds all around the great willow tree. They laugh and work together, their hearts full of joy. Mochi looks at her friends, the empty golden eggshells, and the freshly planted seeds. She realizes something very important. Finding the golden egg was exciting. But the best treat of all was sharing this special day and this special gift with the friends she loves. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the whispering woods, Mochi knew this was the happiest Easter she had ever had. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story about Mochi and her friends. Remember, the best gifts are the ones we can share. Thank you so much for listening today. If you liked our story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more wonderful adventures. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.